Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please click the subscribe and bell buttons to be notified when new videos are uploaded, and like, comment, and also share the videos with your friends and family. This is the village where I was born and raised, and also school during my primary years. This video was taken using my onboard car dash camera to give you an idea as to what I see when I leave home and head to the city, Bridgetown. On the left is the National Sports Council, which facilitates the development of sports in Barbados and the management of sporting facilities, including all playing fields and the National Stadium as well. Let's head to town together. The green building on the right was the once popular Globe Cinema, put out of business because of VCRs and DVDs. The blue building on the left is the Police Sports Club, and just after that is the Transport Board bus depot where the buses sleep after spending the day on the roads. Now we are entering the heart of the city, Robert Street. It is located in Barbados's historic Bridgetown and was once the prime wholesale commercial hub for the city. Note that most of the buildings are 2 stories high, and just like Swan Street, back in the day, many of the store owners used to live on the upper floors of their stores while operating the businesses from the ground floor level. The entrance to the left leads to the Foyer Club, which seeks to enable persons between the ages of 7 to 25 to build self-esteem and strong interpersonal skills while acquiring knowledge and basic know-how related to agriculture and ecology through community activities and apprenticeship programs. Note the 2 white columns there on the left. That's the entrance to the Queen's Park where I did a walkthrough in a previous video. Basically, we are now in the center of Bridgetown. Behind these grey walls is the St. Michael's Cathedral. That's the entrance there. The building straight ahead to the left is the Treasury Building, which is the administrative center in the public service responsible for making sure that systems are in place to monitor and report all of government's transactions. Here we can see the public buildings emerging on the right side along with Broad Street. On the left side is a boardwalk over the Constitution River, or the Coronage as it is most commonly called. And right now we are behind Broad Street. This is the back area on Wharf Road. This building houses the town hall. The original town hall was built in 1730 and once housed the Barbados Assembly, the vestry of St. Michael, and the town jail. Coming up is the Cheapside Market on the left, and next to that is the General Post Office, and beyond that is the ZR Minibus Transport Board Bus Terminal. At this point of the western section of the city, the commercial shopping area ends. But beyond this section are many other government and private businesses in operation. I have now found a good parking spot where I will not be harassed by the police for parking illegally. Thanks for riding along with me and making it to the end of the journey. Bye bye for now until the next video.